Hello guys, welcome to One Slide SAP YouTube channel. And in this channel, we are going to discuss about the interview questions in SAP SD in more detail. And today's question here is, how is plan determined in line item under shipping tab of sales order? So in this one slide, we are going to see about the answers for plan determination in sales order. At the same time, we are going to see in more detail in SAP screen. So it will give you a very good insight on plan determination in a sale order. Okay, so what is the answer should be provided for this? The answer should be customer material info record. First, system will check the customer material info record, and in the transaction code for this is VD51, 52, 53. So second point here is it will check in the customer master under sales area data shipping tab. You can able to see the delivering plant. So the transaction code in ECC system, it is XDN3. Otherwise, you can check it in the S4 HANA system by using BP transaction. So in BP transaction under sales area data, you can able to see the delivering plant. And third point, so from where it will determine the lastly it will go and check in the material master sales org tab. So in that tab you can able to see the delivering plant. So the delivering plant is maintained in customer material info record, customer master record, and material master record. So system will check in this sequence. First it will check the customer material info record, second in the customer master, third in the material master. Right, so the respective place I have highlighted here. At the same time, now we will see on how we can do, how we can check in sales order. At the same time, where we have to maintain the delivering plant, and from there it will determine in the sale order how it will be determined. So this information we will see in the SAP screen now. Now I am in SAP screen and I am trying to create a sale order. And we will see how the plant is determined during creation of sales order. So I'm creating the sale order in VA01 transaction. In VA01 transaction, you have to pass the order type, sales org, distribution channel, division, press enter, and then pass the customer number, say sold to party and shipped to party. Also pass the material and the required quantity. Press enter. System will fetch all the required data related to the material as well as customer master. Now, where is the delivering plant? We can able to see it in the sale order here by double clicking the material. It will take you to the item overview screen. In the item screen, you can able to see many tabs. Under shipping tab, you can able to see the plant 2810. So here this is the place where if we maintain the above 3 points, system will fetch the 2810 automatically in the sale order. This is what plant determination. So now we will see where we have to maintain delivering plant in customer material info record. Transaction for customer material info record is VD53. So pass it in the command field and press enter. And in the next screen, you can able to see customer, sales or distribution channel, material. Pass all those informations. If you have the customer number, sales or distribution channel and material, then click on execute. It will take you to the next screen where you have to double click the material. In this screen, you can able to see the plant in the shipping. So if we maintain a plant here, system will first consider this one. If it is not maintained here, system will go and check it in the customer master record. Go to transaction BP to check the customer master. Press enter. Pass the business partner number here and click start. double click on the partner, it will take you to the screen. Here you can choose the role FLCU01 customer. Under customer, in shipping tab, you can able to see the delivering plant 2810. Okay, so first it will check the customer master in VD53, customer material info record in VD53 transaction. Second, it checks in the BP business partner transaction. Under customer role, if you click on sales and distribution, under sales and distribution, it will be in shipping tab, delivering plant can be identified. So these are the two places. And then we have one more place in material master. If the plant is not maintained in customer material info record and in customer, system will check the material master record. Now we will check in material master. The transaction code here is MM03. So pass the transaction code MM03 in command field. You will get this screen. Pass the material here. Press enter. So in material master, the delivering plant will be available in sales org data view. So you can choose this sales org data one, sales org data one, and click continue. Here pass the plant sales or distribution channel, continue. Right. So here under general data section, you can able to see the delivering plant. This, if this is maintained, system will determine from material master. If the delivering plant is not available in the customer material info record and customer master record, system will check the material master record, and if it is maintained here, it will be determined automatically in the sales order. If it is not maintained in all three places, system will not able to get the delivering plant in this sales order. Okay guys, so this is how the delivering plant is determined in a sales order. Thank you. Bye.